Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Today we're happy to show you a 2020 Toyota Yaris LE Impulse Red. Owning a Toyota comes with several benefits. It offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. The compact size allows for easy maneuverability in urban environments. It boasts Toyota's renowned reliability and longevity, ensuring a dependable ownership experience. Additionally, the Yaris comes with modern features and technologies, enhancing convenience and connectivity during drives. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.